if you want to make money in trading, then you need to follow every rules guiding it. And one of the most important aspects, features you need to look out for while trading is the support and resistance levels. Okay, these 2 points are very vital and important in trading. That is why, and today we'll be treating the topic respect the support and resistance levels in order for you to make money in trading. Okay guys, wait a minute. Personally, this is one of my secrets which I use while I was trying my ends out in trading. Okay, when I got it fully, this is one way I started with. Okay, I made sure I mastered the art of knowing the support and resistance levels, because I already know that at that place there are two things that will happen there. It is either you have a reversal in price action or pullback, or you have a breakout action around there. Okay, but there is one thing you need to put at the back of your mind, and for you to know that thing, you need to watch this video to the very end. Okay, before going fully into today's video, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel. This is a channel which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money for yourself online, most especially in the forex niche. Okay, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my videos. They are all training videos that can get you started immediately. Like I said, they can get you started immediately. Okay, they are all training videos. Okay, feel free to go through them, watch them, make sure you practice them, perfect your skill first on your demo account before going live on your real account. This is very vital and important. The number one rule in trading is following the rules. Okay, following the rules, and the first rule is you practicing before trying it out on your real account. Okay, this is very important. So quickly, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you would like to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot. Just check below this video for the subscription button, click on it, and also click on the notification bell beside it and set it to all notification. That way you will be notified each time I upload a new video. So let's quickly check out what we have for today, which is respecting the support and resistance levels if you really want to make cool cash in trading. Okay, this is applicable to all assets or trading instruments that you can trade in the market. Okay, you should respect the support and resistance levels, most especially the major supports and resistance level. As I was explaining during the intro, I explained that there are two things that are likely to happen at that stage. Okay, the first thing is it is either a pullback or a total reversal in price action. Then also you can also experience a breakout action. Okay, I'm going to explain this to you, but there is one particular thing that is very important. In most cases, once there is, excuse me, let me stop that. Okay, in most cases, once there is once the price action is approaching a major support or resistance level, then you should experience, even if it's going to break out totally, you should experience a little pullback around there. You should experience a little pullback. It might not go for long, but you should experience a little pullback. Then the price action can now continue with the normal trend, most especially around the major support and resistance levels. But how do we identify all these support and resistance level? If you don't know how to identify them, then this might be a major problem for you. You can see around here the price was actually going up and it got to this level. There was a pullback, it went back up again, it got to that resistance level again, then it pulled back, it was unable to break it, then it pulled back downward. But do you know that a support level was formed around here? Okay, but it's not a major one, okay, but it has been tested twice. But check it out, it was broken here. Okay, when it was broken, what happened? It led to a breakout action. You can see the breakout action here. So that is how amazing it is. But it is always important you obey the support and resistance level. You might not really appreciate this until I show you this. Okay, the same chart I'm going to show you in another form. Okay, first of all, in this video I'm using this setup in this setup on my chart. It is called the QDC scraper indicator, and it is amazing. It helps you to know the trend right from the beginning. Then it also helps you to know the support and resistance level, because I've also added this support and resistance bar to it. Okay, so this is it. This is what I'm actually explaining to you. Okay, check it out. The price action was actually coming down. Okay, it came down from here to this support level, went back up, tried to come back again. This bar, this dark green bar, is telling us that, this light green bar is telling us that the support level is very, very strong. It is a verified support level. So each time the price action is approaching it, what you should do is to exit the market immediately, and I'm going to prove that to you. Okay, check it out. After the price got to this level, it came down to this level, it spiked up again. After spiking up here and spiking up here, it spiked up again, which means you should run away from the market each time it is approaching this verified support level. Okay, check it out. It went up again and came down to this level, and it still spiked up again. It was unable to break this support level. Okay, it was unable to break this particular support level, so which means you can even place your pending order in order to buy the spikes each time it gets to the verified support level. That is how amazing it is. You can see it went back up and tried to come back again. It came down and got to this level, spiked up, even though it's not a very long one, but it is still a reasonable level. What am I trying to say? It still respected the same support level it has been respecting all this while. So that is why it is always important you respect the support and resistance levels. Okay, but check it out, it came here again and got to that same support level and spiked up and tried to break it this time around again, and still was unable to break it. It's unable to, the price action is unable to break it, so it still spiked up, which now led to a total reversal in price action. That is why you see it pulling back up totally to this level, but this time around it's got to a resistance level. This place has been marked as a resistance level, and check it out, it pulled back and it came down for a very long time. Like I said, you should always respect this. This has actually given us 22 minute candles, which is amazing. The 23rd minute candle is even counting. It's being created as at the moment. Okay, so this is amazing. This is amazing. But of course, all this happened while the trend was on uptrend. Okay, all this happened while it was on uptrend, but it is very reasonable that you should know the support and resistance level. Now let me tell you this. Okay, let's go back to the beginning of the spikes. You can see, okay, or let's go back to the beginning of the trend. You can see that the trend has been on uptrend from here, from this very level. okay, from this very level. That is why I told you, when you combine all this together, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. Okay, you will be able to milk the market successfully. This is where the trend started from, and you can see the dark green here. It was a support level, it spiked up, came down to that level, spiked up again, then till it got to that level and created another support level. But check it out, this is what I'm trying to say. This should be the entry point for the trend, okay, for the trend, if you are following the trend. Okay, like I said, apart from the support and resistance level, it is always important you also know the trend of the market. Once you know the trend of the market, then you should know what to trade at that particular time. Since most of you don't know how to identify the trend, that is why all these setups are there for you to milk the market successfully. If you check the down part here, you notice the uptrend arrow here telling us that the trend is changing into an uptrend, and it started from here, right here, and you can see all these are green. That is why we are getting spikes, more of spikes than the other way around on this level. Okay, that is why we are getting it pulled back here. Around here it's pulled back to this level, but as you can see, the trend didn't change, and the trend is still giving us that it is still going back on uptrend. Okay, check it out, it went back on uptrend, and it didn't get to our entry point here, if you should notice, because our entry point is where we have the light green line, okay, I mean light blue line here. That is where our entry point is. You can see this didn't get to our entry point because we can't even see the horizontal line there, okay, before pulling back up, and it went back up, it came down again, and it still didn't get to our entry point, and it went back. Like I said, it will always go back up before the trend will come to an end, and this is where it actually came into an end when the arrow changed from an uptrend to a downtrend. And if you should notice, that is where we have our resistance level, and we got our sell signal here, so which means we should exit the market around here immediately. So that is how amazing it is. You can apply this strategy on any asset, okay, on any asset at all, even if it's currency pairs. Okay, you can apply it on any asset and you will love it. It's a unique strategy. Know your trend, know the support and resistance level. Once you can identify these three, then you are good to go. At least you should be able to make a minimum of $50 in a day, a minimum of $50 in a day. If you practice this within 2 hours, you should be able to make a minimum of $50 in a day. And if you should do your calculation very well, 50 times 30, you can imagine what that will give you. That should be giving you $1,500, right? Wow, $1,500. With that, you can increase your trading capital. You will have increased your trading capital, then you can also increase your lot size in order to maximize more profit. I mean, using a reasonable lot size that will go with this amount of money. Okay, so that is how amazing this is. So this is what I want you guys to do. Okay, this is what I want you guys to do. I know this might be a bit technical for you guys, okay, but this indicator will make it very easy for you. So if you're having it good, all I want you to do is to have this set up on your demo account, then practice with it. Practice everything I have explained in this video. If you have not got, if you are yet to get the full gist about it, you can watch this video over and over again. That is why it is on the channel. Okay, you can watch it over and over again so that you will understand how to go about it. Okay, then I want you to have a full day for yourself to practice with it. Okay, once you practice with it, let us know your result, let us know the outcome of your performance. Okay, I mean the outcome of your trading. Let us know the result of your trading so that we will know where you have gotten it wrong, or if you are even getting it right, so we will know if this strategy is really working out or not. Okay, you can leave comments in the comment section below, or you send message to me directly on WhatsApp so that we can analyze things together. Okay, so that is how to go about it. So if you have any question or you want to share some of your results with me, feel free to contact me. My contact details are on the screen and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then,